Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen as always. And today we are going to talk about the latest PAMU earbuds. This is the PAMU Nano. Now, let me confess you that for the past, few years, couple of years probably, I've been using and testing some of the PAMU padmate earbuds, and they are among the best in the market, at least in my opinion. Now, this morning when I did my jogging session, I did use the PAMU Quiet. If you want something great, then we have the PAMU Quiet Mini, which I'll try to leave some links right over here on the YouTube cards, one side or the other. Now, the PAMU Nano is a different kind of earbuds, especially on the aspect and the looks of it. And first, when I did check out the images, I thought, okay, these earbuds are interesting, but probably not for me. But after they arrived, and I always test them under my jogging sessions, and don't take me wrong, but usually I don't use earbuds anything else other than sports, and I thought, okay, these will not make my day. But the truth is that once we get a little bit used, because we'll have to push and put it inside your ear, and now it started to play music. Now the thing is that they are very comfortable once we put them on our ear, and it looks a little bit, and sorry, I'm going really close to the microphone, but it looks a little more, discreet than the others. I will open my case right over here and put on the left side, and the only advantage that I see on these is that we can, at least for me, I'm used to grab this part over here and then just put it on my ear, and these will take a little bit of, just to get used to the way that we put, but once they are inside, just awesome in terms of comfort, in terms of the audio quality, just great. Any earbuds that pass the test of doing a nice jogging session without I having to replace them or touching them, then just awesome. In terms of specifications, they have a Qualcomm chip, so in terms of audio quality, as you can imagine, great. We will talk about that in just a few moments. The battery will be charged by USB Type-C or via Qi charger, wireless charging, and it will last for about 21 hours. Now, in terms of the earbuds, they will last roughly 4.5 to 5 hours, more or less, at least in my particular case, volume at the maximum, which is just awesome when we are running, jogging, and when you start to feel that, and then you get that really nice speed, and you just keep on going and going. Actually, if it wasn't for the music and the earbuds, I would not do as much jogging sessions as I do. Of waterproof, it has IPX6, which means that we can sweat. As long as you don't dive into a swimming pool, you will be more than fine. In terms of the touches and what they do, we will have the option to play and pause, which I just did accidentally a few moments ago. We can also change tracks, fast forward in this particular case on Spotify or any other service. We can increase or decrease the volume, and also to answer or reject a phone. Lastly, but not least important, is the audio quality. One thing that PAMU or padmate has been doing on their earbuds, and this is not an exception, the PAMU Quiet Mini or the PAMU Quiet, all of them with a great experience, and the PAMU Nano is not below. It is cheaper, so as you will be able to see, I will leave a link down below. It is cheaper, but in terms of quality, it's great. It doesn't have active noise cancelling, but if you are looking for something to your jogging sessions or any other sport, then probably you will have to take a look at this. And if you enjoy the PAMU Quiet, I would also take a look at the PAMU Quiet Mini, which are just awesome for a fraction of the price. But the star of the video today is the PAMU Nano, which are awesome in terms of audio quality, in terms of the volume, which is something very important. Sometimes we test out earbuds that have a great audio quality, clear audio, but the volume is lacking and you will not feel that punch of the music. And right over here it's really well balanced, and to me the volume is just the ideal. So guys, no issues at all in recommending one of these or the PAMU Quiet Mini or the PAMU Quiet, because the quality is there. It's just depending on what you are looking for and the format that you believe that will suit you best. That being said, hope that the video was helpful in some way, and if it was, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.